In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text, shapes, and lines in draw.io. First, open draw.io in your browser and create a new diagram. You can choose where to save it and start with a blank canvas or a template. Once the canvas loads, think of it as your workspace where everything you add, text, shapes, and lines, will live and connect. To place simple text anywhere, just double-click on the canvas. A text box appears right where you clicked. Type your label or note, then click outside the box to finish. This is perfect for titles, annotations, or quick callouts that aren't tied to a specific shape. If you want text to live inside a shape or along a line, double-click directly on that shape or line and start typing. The text will stay attached so it moves and resizes with the object. This is great for node names, step descriptions, or connector labels. To style your text, select it and open the text tab in the Format panel, typically on the right. Here you can adjust font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Small tweaks like bold headings or a slightly larger font for key labels go a long way toward making your diagram easier to read. To add shapes, look to the left panel and find the general library. Drag and drop any shape onto the canvas. If you prefer a quicker insert, double-click the canvas and choose a shape from the drop-down that appears. It will place the shape where you clicked. You can also use the search bar at the top of the left panel to find specific shapes by name, handy when your diagram grows and you need something precise. Resize shapes by dragging the blue round handles on their edges. For rotation, use the handle near the top right of the selection. If you're aiming for consistent sizing, watch the guides and snapping hints that appear as you drag. To create a line from a shape, hover over it and drag one of the blue arrows that appear. This draws a connector and lets you snap it to another shape, building a flow quickly. Alternatively, use the line icon in the top toolbar to draw a new line anywhere on the canvas, then connect it to shapes. With a line selected, open the Style tab in the Format panel to change its type. You can switch between straight, orthogonal, or curved lines, adjust thickness and color, and add arrowheads for direction. That's it. With text, shapes, and lines in place and styled, your diagram will be clear, consistent, and ready to share.